Vacplus is a set of 30 blue toilet tablets that claim to clean, deodorize, and help prevent stains with every flush. They're super easy to use. You just drop one into your toilet tank and let it do the work. Each tablet is supposed to last up to 15 days. That's around 15 flush-activated cleanings. Without lifting a brush, using them is literally as easy as it gets. Open the packet, drop a tablet in the corner of your toilet tank, not the bowl, and wait for it to dissolve. Within minutes, your toilet water turns a soft blue, and the cleaning process begins. No messy hands, no weird smells, just a fresh, low-effort clean. After about 24 hours, I noticed the difference. The water stayed fresh, and there was no buildup in the bowl after multiple flushes. Even after several days, there were fewer visible stains and no funky odor. But keep in mind, these tablets help maintain a clean toilet. They won't magically erase a months-old ring of grime overnight. So here's what I liked. Super convenient. Just drop and forget. Helps reduce odor and buildup. Affordable, especially for a 30-pack. Here are the downsides. Doesn't replace deep cleaning. You still need to scrub now and then, especially under the rim. My final verdict? If you're looking for a simple, low-effort way to keep your toilet fresher between cleanings, I think Vacplus tablets are absolutely worth it. For under $20, it's a solid addition to your bathroom routine. And if you want to try them out, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.